Today JCB is operating, sir.
If you open that and make it play the night, that will become an issue. So first let it be day. If you want, after that we'll see for the night.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Only one or two of this one we'll put. One this side and one that side.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Correct.
That's correct.
Let us not allow them to play in the night.
For safety purpose, we will
Only for
eliminate
the
the
safety purpose we'll eliminate the
ground.
ground. After that we'll see. After 6 months or something, if everything is proper, if someone will take the responsibility, if the police is ready to cooperate, then we'll do it.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, one is that. Then what renovation you're doing for this?
Sir, for pavilion, we will do the patch repair work
Uh,
and denting, painting.
uh.
And this shade work for need basis. If any replacement is required, then we will do that.
Do that and get it seen. See what is required more. I think that everything is proper.
Yes,
Just
sir.
do that painting work and finish it.
Sir,
What is that say?
that is a Damal.
Only the football ground will be
It's
ready.
a football ground.
Touch with you.
What is the
guide
basic
ಮಾಡಿ.
fundamental
Guide ಮಾಡಿ.
requirement to revive and
Okay.
start the ground? We will do the.
Because I am a qualified coach from National Patiala.
ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ತಮ್ಮನೇ ತರೋತೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಒಂದ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
Right, sir. Please tell some other JCB ಯಾರ ಇದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. JCB ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ
ನಾಳೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಗೆ tomorrow morning you'll get another 2 or 3 JCBs. Please make sure that ನಾಳೆ ಕಳ್ಸ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಿಮ್ದು.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Whatever paper work you want to do, please get it done.
Yes.
Tomorrow morning another 3-4 JCBs will come, they'll start work. Get the civil work done and get that painted. Put your name only, BGML you put.
Yes.
Put there also, painting.
Yes.
ದೋಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್
Yes. Yes. We have.
ನಾನು JS ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I spoken to the JS, he told he'll speak to both of you and get this one done.